In this video, I'm going to show you how I built these shaker-style doors for my built-in cabinets. Vacuum on and drill. There we go. So now I have my router set up. Let's see. There we go. I'm going to use these pocket hole plugs. So I wasn't going to, but since I made a whoopsie, I'm going to use Bondo wood filler. I'm going to use some 80 grit sandpaper on a random orbital sander and take these down so they're flush and get the bulk of this Bondo sanded off. Once this is all sanded out, just gotta get the dust off of it, use a tack cloth, wipe it down, and it's ready for primer. But before I do that, I'm gonna build the rest of these doors. Make sure it doesn't move. Might be helpful to have two people doing this, but as you know, I have no friends. And after a little bit of adjusting, these are nice and even. The space in between the doors are fairly even, and I think they look great. I'm happy with the way they came out. So, if you needed to do something like this, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.